You are looking at all of the classic Big Mac ingredients and flavors filling up this delicious salad, but there's no guilt. You won't even miss the bun. Heather Doney is here sharing the recipe for a healthy Big Mac bowl. This is hilarious and so clever of you. It's great to meet you. Great to have you.
Thank you.
So does this really resemble kind of the Big Mac taste?
For sure, yes. It is. It's just like a Big Mac without that bun, without those extra calories, but and less fat. So it's a lot healthier for you.
So it's
but
lean,
it tastes so good.
it's green, you've taken away the bun, as I said. Any other modifications?
Just like a leaner meat. So I usually use ground turkey, a leaner ground turkey.
Okay.
And then, but you can use a lean ground beef.
I like how you threw that in there because you knew some people were saying, Heather,
no,
there's no turkey in a Big Mac. Okay, so you can choose.
You can choose, and then you'll have the secret sauce, the special sauce. You know, you make that a little bit cleaner too than what the Big Mac has.
Well, let's jump in. You've got onions going. So
I've got onions going. So I've sprayed the pan with just an oil. I usually like to use avocado because it's a better oil, less inflammatory oil. I've got that, and then I've just done 2 tablespoons of onion in here.
And they're going. Our palates
are going.
Yeah,
you can smell that, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna add. I've cooked most of this up already, but we're gonna add our ground turkey or lean beef, whatever you want to do, and we're just gonna kick that up. The onions are gonna cook for a couple minutes, just until you start to smell them. A tip with onions. After you've chopped them off, you're welcome to just throw them away.
You're not a fan?
I'm not a fan of onions.
Not either,
okay,
actually. But here we are representing the people.
Yes.
The Big Mac fellow friends that like the onions.
Yes, but actually, it's really, you can't really like taste them. And if you chop them up small enough, then you know. Then you can taste them.
If we're doing when we had this over the weekend, we did a McDonald's drive-through for the kids. Happy Meals, you know, still holds.
Yes.
Still holds strong.
I know, right? Absolutely.
Yep. And so I ordered a cheeseburger minus pickles, and my husband said, "Don't you mean minus onions too?" And I said, actually, I don't mind them at McDonald's. Isn't that funny?
That's interesting.
But I don't like onions
Is it because they're small?
Small, and they feel sweeter to me. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I can't do the big chunks.
How did you prep the beef or the turkey in this?
So we just you're just cooking it with the onions.
Not
and
seasoning it up with anything
but
crazy.
also a tool that I love to use is this thing. So when I cooked it at home, this just chops it up a lot.
I've seen this, but I've resisted
yes.
because do I really need one more gadget?
Right.
Or you
no,
like it?
I love it way better than a wooden spoon.
Okay.
So I love that. So we're gonna take that off
the heat.
While that's cooking, you can be making the sauce.
The secret sauce.
Yeah, secret sauce. Thousand Island, but use like a healthier version. One that's less calories. And then you've got vinegar and and onion powder.
Oh, vinegar and onion powder.
Yes. So we're just gonna do 2 tablespoons of the Thousand Island. And I've chosen the Walden Farms, but you could use like a wishbone that's like a light one or something.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be too fancy. And then we're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon of white vinegar.
All right, the strength of these flavors is surprising me, but I trust you. I trust you.
Okay.
Our Big Mac lives are in your hands, Heather.
And then we've got our onion powder, just another 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Another little tool I like to use is just this little tiny
look at you,
whipper. Yeah. So you just whip that up. You can use this for your kids' chocolate milk, whatever you want to use. But that's going to be
there's our sauce. So that's our dressing.
That's your dressing. Since
we are making a salad.
And then you just take your lettuce, chop it up. You've got your you do about 3 cups of this. Your meat's about 5 ounces.
Okay.
If you want to.
You want to count it up?
Yeah, if you want to count it. If you're wanting to be super exact on like your macronutrients or something, this is how
I see
we
a scale here. What's the scale for?
So the scale, I was just going to say, if you are one that likes to weigh things instead, this is just get a nice kitchen scale. I use this all the time.
Do you?
Yeah. So when I'm trying to measure out my macronutrients, and sometimes it's hard to measure out like lettuce, 3 cups of lettuce, because you can so you could weigh it out if you really wanted to do that instead.
Are we ready to plate up?
Yeah, let's do that.
Here we go.
We're going to put our lettuce on here, and
I'll be your plate holder.
Okay, I love it. I love it.
That felt funny to me. That felt mom pun.
Yeah, that was good.
2.0. Okay,
that was good.
All right.
We love the mom puns. My kids love them the most.
Don't they? We tell ourselves that.
Right?
They better. They don't know how lucky they are to have a mom that's punny.
Right? Punny. Yes. My kids, they don't realize what they have. You know, they're just
kids.
Yep. All right. Reduced fat cheese. So we have a little bit less fat. It's about 2 tablespoons.
You are saving us at every corner.
Yes.
And I would hold the pickles, but pickles are part of the Big Mac experience. So here we go.
Yes. So
Big Mac salad. This is hilarious.
And they say we say about 1 ounce, which is about 6 of these. So if you want them, like you know, they're optional.
A crunch, more flavor.
Yes. And then we're just going to top it off with the sauce.
in a salad way.
And yeah. And yeah, it tastes just like it.
Well, I can see how the flavors would meld and come together,
Yes.
and you really aren't going to miss that bun.
Yeah.
The good stuff's inside anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
So, and if you know the Big Mac song, do you know the Big Mac song?
What? How am I going to make you sing it on TV?
Do you want me to?
Give me a line.
Okay,
maybe
so
it'll...
it's to all beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickled onions on a sesame bun.
That's how everybody knows
So
that.
you could use that to try and remember the ingredients.
I love
But
it.
switch it up for like.
And that was a commercial jingle?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
so-
Listen, I've got some McDonald's work to do. I almost passed the test. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
A
having
great
me.
recipe, a great spin on one of those fast food indulgences that we all love now and again. Heather, where can we get more great recipes from you?
You can follow me on Instagram. It's Healthy Habits with Heather. On Facebook, it's just Heather Scouse and Doney. And you can follow me there for tips on working out and eating.
Awesome. Healthy Habits with Heather. And when you come back, even though I made you sing,
Please
in the
let me
kitchen.
come back, yes.
All right. Good times with Heather. Thank you so much.